Are you facing issues compiling your project with Maven 3.5 and JDK 9? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into a common problem that many developers encounter, and I promise you, we will find a solution together. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when you hit a roadblock in your coding journey. That error message can feel like a brick wall, and it's easy to feel stuck. But don't worry, we're here to break it down. Let's look at the specific issue at hand. One user reported, "I am using Maven 3.5 Toiro and JDK 9 build 1171. When I tried to compile my project, I got an exception." This is a common scenario, and it's important to understand what's going wrong. The error message indicates a problem with the Java compiler. Specifically, it mentions a missing class, which often happens due to compatibility issues between Maven and the JDK version. Let's explore how to resolve this. Stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to fix this issue, but also gain insights that could save you time in future projects. To address the issue with Maven and JDK 9, the user should first ensure that they are using a compatible version of the Maven compiler plugin. The recommended version is at least 3.8.0. Next, the user should check their Java version settings in the Maven configuration. They need to specify the source and target versions to match JDK 9. After updating the plugin and setting the Java version, the user should clean their project to remove any cached data that might cause conflicts. This can be done using a simple command. Finally, the user can attempt to compile the project again. If the issue persists, they may need to check their environment variables to ensure that the JDK path is correctly set. Fun fact, did you know that the first version of Java was released in 1995? It's come a long way since then, but compatibility issues can still trip us up. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from another user suggests verifying the Java version that Maven is using. They recommend running the command mvn-v to check this. In their case, Maven was using Java 15, while their application needed Java 8. They resolved the issue by setting Java home to the path for JDK 8. Let's take a look at an answer from another user. An alternative solution from another user involves updating the Lombok library in your project. They found that changing the version in the pom.xml to 1.16.18 resolved the compilation issue, although it did produce some warnings about illegal reflective access. Let's take a look at another answer from another user. An alternative solution from another user suggests upgrading the Lombok version to 1.8.0. This update may resolve the compilation issue you are experiencing. Let's take a look at an answer from another user. An alternative solution from another user suggests that the Maven compiler plugin version 3.6.1 is not suitable for JDK 9. They recommend upgrading to at least version 3.6.2 to resolve the issue. Here's a pro tip. Always check the compatibility of your tools and libraries when working on a project. This can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the Maven and JDK compatibility issue. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks, and remember, every problem has a solution.